Dr. Cathy Chia-Yu Huang is expanding the biomedical fields by exploring the effects of microplastic particles on the brain, while also training the next generation of scientists as a tenure-track professor. After earning her bachelor's degree from Fujian Catholic University in her home country of Taiwan, Huang graduated from Texas A&M University in 2014 with her PhD in biomedical sciences.
So the name of the Texas A&M was quite familiar to me when I was a kid, since my elder sister and my cousin, they both got PhD here at Texas A&M. So after graduating from college, I was thinking of studying abroad. Texas A&M was my first choice, and I did some research related to neuroscience when I was a college student, undergrad student. So I was trying to find neuroscience related and the biomedical science related program, and it turns out that the biomedical science program was really strong in the vet school.
In addition to professional development and networking opportunities, Texas A&M gave Huang the opportunity to research with and learn from Associate Professor Gladys Ko.
Neuroanatomy offered by Dr. Gladys Ko. She was really an excellent lecturer, and she's really good at explaining complex brain structure into really a simple way by using metaphor, and give us a lot of examples to help us to memorize those complex brain structures. And some of the examples I learned from the class, I still use today in my own class.
After graduation, Huang completed postdoctoral research fellowships at the Texas A&M Health Science Center and Harvard Medical School before returning to Taiwan as an assistant professor at the National Central University, where she holds a joint faculty appointment with the Department of Life Sciences and the Cognitive Intelligence and Precision Healthcare Research Center.
As an assistant professor, there are a couple of main jobs we have to do. So the first one definitely is teaching. So I have to teach undergrad courses related to animal physiology, neuroscience. We also need to teach the graduate school, teach some courses in graduate school. So those including molecular cellular biology. So teaching is really big part of job in my daily life. For the graduate school, I also teach the advanced neuroscience and molecular and cellular biologies. So I kind of enjoy teaching because I like to interact with students. So for the research, I have my own lab with 12 students currently. And most of them are undergrad students. They are really dedicated into research, really like neuroscience.
At NCU, Huang has received governmental funding to investigate molecular mechanisms of microplastics affecting brain and behavior, with a focus on learning, memory, and emotion.
When I was a kid, my grandmother had Alzheimer's disease. So this is a neurodegenerative disease, which currently there's no cure in this disease. I look at how suffered she was, and I was thinking about maybe I can do something in the future to help.
Her current research examines how the prolonged consumption of microplastics can induce neuroinflammation in the brain, which might be linked to Alzheimer's disease.
I hope I can find some markers in human blood and try to understand how the microplastic affect the brain function and eventually influence the learning and the memory.
Huang also mentors students and promotes educational opportunities across northern Taiwan. Her mentorship includes career planning, assisting students' applications to graduate programs, and reviewing resumes.
I want to show them that pursuing a graduate degree is not only attainable but also could be rewarding, and it's a good path. Also, by sharing my experience with them, I want them to understand pursuing a graduate degree is require dedication, hard working, and a commitment. So I can provide them the realistic expectation about the graduate school, the path of the research, and the future in the academic field. I think mentorship is important to me because I know how important it can impact a person's life. And since I have personal experience with valuable mentorship in graduate schools, I hope I can provide the same mentorship and to the next generations.
Huang lives in Taoyuan City, Taiwan, with her husband, who is also an assistant professor, and their two children, Hamilton and Zoe.